In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate from WooCommerce to Shopify effectively and smoothly. This process can seem daunting, but by following a few well-planned steps, you can achieve a seamless transition. So let's dive right in and take the confusion out of migrating. First, let's start with preparing your WooCommerce store. Before making any changes, ensuring you have a backup of your entire store is essential. Imagine a safety net that will catch all your valuable data should anything go awry during migration. Think of it as a crucial protective measure, ensuring peace of mind and providing a complete record of your store's data for restoration, should the need arise. Now, let's move on to exporting your data. WooCommerce simplifies this with its built-in export tool. What you want to do is create CSV files for all your critical data, including products, customers, and orders. This step ensures that all your valuable information is neatly packaged and ready for the next stage of your e-commerce journey. It's also important to evaluate your data and identify any features or plugins you have in WooCommerce that might not directly translate into Shopify. Take a moment to review your existing setup, consider which elements are essential, and explore the Shopify App Store for suitable alternatives. This is your opportunity to streamline and optimize your new Shopify store. Once your WooCommerce store is prepped, the next step is setting up your shiny new Shopify store. Start by signing up for a Shopify account. Pick a plan that aligns with your business needs while considering future growth and expansion. Think of this choice as setting the foundation for your new store, giving you room to grow and flourish. After signing up, it's time to configure your store settings. This includes setting up crucial aspects like payment gateways, shipping options, and taxes. These are the gears that will keep your new store running smoothly, so ensure they're set correctly. Now, let's make your store visually appealing by customizing its design. Browse through Shopify's themes, select one that resonates with your brand, and then tailor it to give your store that distinctive look and feel. This step is all about bringing your brand's personality to life visually. Moving on to the migration of your data, use Shopify's import tool to upload the CSV files you prepared earlier. After doing this, it's vital to verify that all your data has been accurately transferred. Carefully organizing your product listings and customer information helps maintain the reliability and professionalism of your store. Finally, before you go live, take the time to thoroughly test your Shopify store. Place test orders, ensure everything functions as expected from checkout to payment processing, and confirm that every aspect mirrors your intended customer experience. By breaking down this migration into clear, manageable steps, and taking the time to meticulously prepare, set up, and verify, you'll find that moving from WooCommerce to Shopify can be a structured and reassuring process. Thank you for joining me today, and happy migrating!